Did you know that moringa is often referred to as the miracle tree? For a reason? This humble plant has been celebrated for centuries, and modern science is now catching up to its remarkable healing properties. Whether you're trying to boost your energy, support your immune system, or simply feel more balanced in your day-to-day life, moringa could be the missing piece you've been looking for. In today's video, we'll explore the incredible benefits of moringa and how you can use it to supercharge your health naturally. Let's be real for a moment. In today's fast-paced world, many of us struggle to maintain optimal health. With processed foods, environmental stress, and limited time, it's easy to fall into bad habits. Most of us want to improve our well-being, but with the overwhelming number of health trends, supplements, and miracle solutions out there, it can be hard to know what actually works. So, where do we turn for a solution that is both natural and scientifically backed? Moringa might be the answer. This nutrient-dense superfood can simplify your health journey. It offers a wide range of benefits that are accessible, natural, and effective. Let's dig deeper into what makes moringa so special. The leaves of this tree contain an astonishing array of nutrients. Vitamin A supports healthy vision and skin, boosts immune function. Vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that protects cells and promotes healthy aging. Calcium, essential for strong bones and teeth. Iron, vital for oxygen transport and energy levels. These are just a few examples. Moringa has been found to contain over 90 different nutrients and 46 types of antioxidants. This plant is so nutrient-dense that many experts refer to it as one of the most powerful superfoods on the planet. Let's break it down even more. Moringa is packed with antioxidants, such as quercetin and chlorogenic acid, that protect your body from oxidative stress. This protection strengthens your immune system, making it easier to fight off colds, infections, and even chronic diseases. Imagine having a natural defense mechanism, sourced directly from a tree. Tired of feeling sluggish? Moringa's combination of iron, magnesium, and vitamins helps naturally boost your energy levels. Unlike caffeine or sugary energy drinks, moringa provides a steady, clean source of energy without the crash. Moringa's high fiber content aids in digestion by promoting regular bowel movements and supporting gut health. It's especially useful if you struggle with constipation or bloating, as it helps cleanse the digestive system. For those concerned about blood sugar, moringa can help. Studies have shown that it may help lower blood sugar levels, which is crucial for people with diabetes or anyone trying to avoid the dreaded energy spike and crash. It's a great natural option for maintaining stable energy throughout the day. Now, let's look at the research to support these claims. A study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that moringa has significant antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. This is due to its high concentration of bioactive compounds like flavonoids, alkaloids, and phenolics. Another study, conducted in India, discovered that moringa can reduce blood sugar levels in individuals with type 2 diabetes by nearly 21%, proving it's not just a health fad. These studies provide reliable, science-backed evidence that moringa is not only effective but a safe option for long-term health improvements. Here's where things get really interesting. One of moringa's most surprising benefits is its anti-inflammatory potential. Chronic inflammation is at the root of many serious health conditions, think heart disease, arthritis, and even cancer. Moringa has been shown to contain isothiocyanates, compounds that are known to suppress inflammation in the body. Imagine having a natural, plant-based option to combat inflammation and reduce your risk of chronic illness. It's like nature's way of hitting the reset button on your health. So, how can you start using moringa to harness these benefits? Here are some practical ways to incorporate it into your routine. Moringa tea. One of the simplest ways to enjoy moringa is by brewing it into a tea. Just add a teaspoon of moringa powder or dried leaves to hot water, and you're good to go. Smoothies. Moringa powder blends perfectly into smoothies. Add a teaspoon to your morning smoothie for an added nutrient boost. Capsules. If you're always on the go, moringa capsules are a convenient option. This is great for those who don't enjoy the taste but still want the benefits. Sprinkle it on your meals. Moringa powder can also be sprinkled onto salads, soups, or even pasta for an extra nutrient punch. Start slow with small amounts and gradually increase your intake, especially if you're new to it. A question I often get is, are there any side effects? While Moringa is generally safe, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking medication. Large doses may cause digestive issues like nausea or diarrhea for some people, so moderation is key. In summary, Moringa is an incredibly versatile and potent superfood that can help you heal from the inside out. From boosting your immune system to balancing blood sugar, reducing inflammation, and enhancing your overall energy levels, Moringa has it all. It's a natural solution that fits seamlessly into any lifestyle, whether you're a health enthusiast or someone just starting on their wellness journey. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried Moringa before? If so, what benefits have you noticed? Drop a comment below and let's start a conversation. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our future health and wellness tips. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from this amazing natural remedy. Let's continue this journey to better health together.